believe it's been 2.5 months and I've done nothing but sit here and feel sorry for myself. But now I'm going to get up, get out, and shake this off because I will no longer give my heart to someone or something that does not make me happy. And this call sheet book, it makes me happy. It does. It reminds me of why I started. It's so weird because when I first moved to LA, I actually came to this exact newsstand. I actually moved to LA to be an actor, and somehow I got derailed because of some events that were tragic in my life. And now I just feel like, you know what? Let's just give it another go. I need to redirect my attention and focus on what brings me joy and what uplifts me the most. Okay, don't judge me. Just because I throw out the man doesn't mean I have to throw out love. Out with the old, in with the new, because you never know what God has in store for us. And why not? You get it? Why not? Because she's looking really happy. I'm definitely getting this one. I'm not on the Forbes list yet. So she's looking like a boss. My style, as well as my brand, could definitely use some work. I'm going to get this one. You know I couldn't leave here without getting at least one home decor magazine. Even though I did see that Architectural Digest right in front of me, but I didn't touch it, or the interiors one, you see it? I picked up this Victorian one. So at least I got one to put on the vision board. It won't be a total loss. Gotta have some home decor, just a little bit. Now let me get my butt home because these magazines are so freaking expensive, you guys. Hey, you guys. Today I'm going to clean my room and get my nails done, and then do the vision board. But I figured I'd rather clean my room first and then do the vision board because it's really hard to do a vision board if your room or your space around you is cluttered. I can't be creative in clutter. So the two words don't even match. So I have to clean up and get rid of the old energy and get some new positive flowing energy up in here. And we are going to create some new energy for 2019. All right, kids, we're going to do this. Let's do this. I'm excited. I'm up. No falling down. Keep going. No matter what, always keep going because you'll be a lot farther if you keep going, and you'll be a lot farther from that situation if you keep going. But if you stop and you don't move, you'll always be stuck in that same situation. So keep it moving. That's your PSA for today, kids. Let's clean. New to my channel, be sure to subscribe now. I would love for you to be a part of the Almond Summers family. Hit the notification bell right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Morning, you guys. I was up all night working on the vision board and also my goals. I'm not going to show you mine because I want to keep them private, but you should definitely start with your goals before you start your board. It would make life so much easier. Next up, you would want to create some categories. I created categories on my vision board so that I'll be a little more organized when it comes to actually adding the photos to the board. You don't want to put a bunch of stuff on your board that just has no meaning in your life. Now, I won't go over all the categories with you, but I do want to touch on a few of them, like makeover, for instance. Last year, I worked on my inner self. This year, I'm definitely working on my external self. Hair and makeup is definitely a challenge for me. I just have trouble with hair and makeup. I really want to start loving my 4D hair. It's considered the lowest grade hair on the totem pole. However, I just want to feel confident when I wear my natural hair out and not feel insecure. Going to a stylist, I've been to several times, and I just end up with less hair than I had going in. Not gonna work for me. As well as having a fresh face, I started videotaping myself recently without makeup so that I could actually see what I was working with, so I'll know exactly what I need to work on. So yeah. And lastly, I want to work on my style. So with the business that I used to have, it didn't require me to dress up or anything like that. So I was always in sweats all the time or whatever was easiest to wash and wear. So now I need to step it up a lot. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you guys want to see more day-to-day, I'm so excited about this, behind the scenes of almonds and my shenanigans, as well as some chit-chat, be sure to check out my new vlog channel. It's called Absolutely Not Perfect. So it's youtube.com/absolutely not perfect. So get over there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I actually upload the first video. I'm so excited, you guys. This channel will stay the same. It'll definitely be, my home decor, my love for that, and my how-tos, but the other channel won't have any home decor. So if you're not feeling anything other than home decor, don't go over there. So just stay here. But that channel is only for shenanigans, and this channel is for home decor and lifestyle and DIYs. So anyway, you guys, let's jump back into this vision board. I got distracted because I got so excited. I wanted to share that news with you guys. I've definitely been a true thespian at heart. In 2019, I'm definitely going to be searching for a new theatrical agent as well as a commercial agent to put myself back out there in the industry that I am super duper duper passionate about. I can't seem to shake this bug, so I know it's definitely something that I have to get into. But I'll definitely keep you guys updated with my journey, and it may be on the other channel though. But I'll still keep you updated, especially if you follow me on Instagram. But moving on to travel, and the last few categories are on here. Like I said, I'm not going to go through everything, but just for travel, definitely want to put in some travel in. Definitely want to get some subscribers up to 50K. Yes, I want to get to 50K at the end of the year, and I actually think it's possible. And the last two I want to touch on really, really quick is definitely out there looking for a new love. Just because he broke my heart doesn't mean he broke my spirit. I'm going to keep it moving. I'm also thinking about getting a cat or a dog, you guys, and I want to put it right here in this little spot. So let me know in the comments or in the community section. I think I'll do a poll, and I would love for you guys to let me know if I should get a dog or a cat. Like I said, I'm not done with my board. I definitely want to add some personal touches to this board, and those things I don't want to post on YouTube. But that's it, you guys. That's it for today. I think I'm just gonna definitely go ahead and glue this down and hang it in my office, because you want to actually have a vision board in your vision on a regular basis. So I'm gonna definitely put this in my office, and I will show you that in my office tour. How about that? Just remember, it's never too late to start, no matter where you are in your life. Look at me. It took me 3 months to come back and resurface and do my vision board. But right now, I'm just going to go downtown LA and take a mental vacation and get into some shenanigans. I'm going to hit up a museum and take the rest of the day off. gosh, how cute was this, you guys? Earlier today, my heart was broken and now my heart is melting. I can't believe it. I got to take pictures with some of my subscribers. This just made my day. This is so adorable, you guys. If you haven't done your vision board, I do hope that this video has inspired you to get started. Get up, get out, and get started. Don't forget to comment down below, leave your comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Be sure to rate this video, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to share with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.